Hello everyone, this is Priya Nandwani and I am going to demonstrate the project that I built as an assignment. So basically I chose the recipe finder to which I gave the name QuickChef. So talking about my project, first of all I have built this React project using White and the files that are majorly included in it are app.jsx, which basically includes most of the logic uh, of my project, and there are two components, basically title.jsx and dishcard.jsx. So basically these are all the state variables that I have initialized: ingredient results, logged, no match. These are all the states, and these are the again one more state regarding the time, as I have included the time as well. uh, all the dishes that I could find in the IP, most of them I have included all their ID along with the approximate time it requires them to make it. So I have included all that into another file and I have imported that file into my app.jsx, and I have categorized the meals by duration in this particular use effect, which has dependencies, dishes and duration, because the duration file could not contain all the ID meals, because I saw that some some new dishes were appearing and it was breaking my uh, logic. So that's why I have approximately given them 30 minutes. Those who are not included in the duration.js, I have given them an approximate average of 30 minutes, and that's how I have categorized each of them, and I have basically pushed all those IDs in their respective arrays. And in this particular function I'm basically handling add, and this is the logic. Basically this is for fetching dishes by ingredient, and if there is no ingredient, then I'm just sending a message that enter an ingredient first, and then finally calling this particular uh, IP the provided by the project team itself. So I have used XGS get to basically fetch the results. So this is whole logic. Then finally we are setting the loading to false. Now moving to the next logic. This is basically the main logic, which is basically recomputing dishes whenever ingredient results change. So we can see that the dependency is ingredient results. So basically what this particular code is doing, that it will as I will keep adding the ingredients, it will give me the intersection of those particular ingredients dishes. So that's what this particular function is doing. But also, if for a particular ingredient no dishes are available, so for that particular ingredient it will ignore that ingredient, and it will only consider those ingredients which are giving some dishes, and out of those dishes it will give me the intersection. So that was my logic, and this is the function of handle reset. As in my project there is a reset button, then this is handle all. As for the duration, there is a duration, we can choose the duration, so it also includes all as well, and it includes under 15, under 30 minutes, under 60 minutes, over 60 minutes. So this is what this particular function is handling, and as we can see, get time for dish, and if there is no assigned duration to a particular dish, then we are automatically giving it at 30 on average. And this is basically for removing a particular ingredient. If we want to remove an ingredient, so we can also do that. So this is all my JSX, and as we can see, I have rendered my title here, and this is regarding all the things. And here is a reset button, and here are all the dishes that are currently shown. So I'm also showing what number of the dishes that are being shown, then duration also. So these are all the JSX under 15 minutes, 15 to 30 minutes. And the overall theme of my project is basically like a pinkish sort of tone I have tried to give it, which looks very user friendly and also very quirky at the same time. This is for the warning message, this is for the drop down, for the duration, I guess. No, this is basically for this is basically from where we can remove a particular ingredient. So this is all, that's all I feel. Yeah, that's it majorly. So moving to the title.jsx. So basically it's very simple. It simply includes uh, the title, which is quick chef, and I have tried to make it quick chef, cook smarter and not harder. So this is also quite interesting, the way it is looking. The final result is quite good, and this is the dish card, which is basically rendering the results we are getting from the API. So it includes props. So props contain props.image, props.name, and finally the time required is something that I have added on my own. So that's it. And in the assets we have duration.js, which I have already discussed about, and in the index.html also I have tried to add this particular logo, which is present in the, I guess, public folder. So this is the logo I have included, which I have built using AI, and I have given as a top, like, which basically shows up in at the top of the website whenever we hit the URL. So I have tried to use this, and it looks quite good and goes well with the colors that I have used in my website. So let's now demonstrate my project UI. So since it is made on white, so, and it is the root of the folder only from where I can directly run my project. So I'm going to do npm run dev, and we can see that my project is live, and this is the URL I have to go in. So I'm just copying it, and I'm just opening my Chrome, and I'm pasting this. So this is the whole UI of my project. So now let's enter any ingredient. So let's enter egg. So as I enter this ingredient from here, you can see that there is some animation as well here in the reset as well as the duration button, and it is also showing me all the number of dishes it is rendering, and this is how each of the card looks like. So as you can see, it's all based on pink theme, and at the logo also I've tried to customize the logo. So that's about it. And if suppose I enter another ingredient, say bread, I include it, and then I see the intersection of these two. So now I get two of them. So now from here I can get both the, as you can see, it also has a transition effect which looks really cool, and we can remove it directly from here if we want to remove this particular ingredient. For example, I just don't want to include bread, so directly it will give again give me 24 dishes, and we can close it. and for the duration we can choose the duration. For example, I want all the dishes which takes around under which can be prepared under 15 minutes, so there is only one dish which can be prepared under 15 minutes. And suppose I want to see 15 to 30 minutes, so I can get them as well. And over 1 hour also we can see. Suppose I want to see all of it, so it will show me all of the 24 dishes. And uh, suppose I add apples, so there will be no dishes regarding this, so that also it will show, and I can remove apples from here and it will again show me the 24 dishes. And we can reset it also to clear everything else. So that's all about the demonstration of my project. I hope you like it. Thank you, and I would love to know more features that I could add to make it even better. So that's about it. Thank you.